Formax presents the 6308 series inserters. Formax 6308 series inserters are compact, easy to use, and energy efficient, ideal for adapting to a variety of office mailing needs. These inserters can process up to 40,000 mail pieces per month at speeds of up to 3,800 per hour, saving both time and money. A 7-inch color touchscreen, automatic job setup, and 50 programmable jobs make operation easier than ever before. The superior clamshell cover design provides users with easy access to make adjustments and to clear the paper path. The 6308 also features a convenient shelf for mail preparation and a paper path window which allows users to see the insert area while in operation. For energy savings, the 6308 series includes an automatic sleep mode, which puts the inserter into standby after 1 hour of being idle. A high-capacity vertical output stacker holds up to 500 sealed or unsealed finished pieces in a neat sequential stack, making them easy to unload for further processing. The user-friendly color touchscreen control panel features a graphic user interface with paper and envelope presence sensors to indicate when a feeder is empty. In addition, models can be configured with an Intelligent Mark CIS scanner for seamless and secure processing of multi-page documents, including invoices or statements. 3 feeder styles are available for optimal performance. The standard size feeder holds up to 325 sheets, the high-capacity feeder holds up to 725 sheets, and the optional production feeder holds up to 1,200 inserts or 325 business reply envelopes. The 6308 series comes in 4 configurations, available with or without intelligence, including a 3-station configuration with 3 standard feeders, a 3-station configuration with a combination of standard and special feeders, a 2-station configuration with 1 standard feeder and 1 high-capacity document feeder, a 2-station configuration with 1 special feeder and 1 high-capacity document feeder. Operating the 6308 is simple and intuitive. Begin by loading the feeders. The standard size feeders can be linked for a total capacity of up to 975 sheets. Next, load the envelope feeder with up to 350 envelopes. The bottom feed system allows for envelopes to be loaded on fly for continuous operation. With the feeders loaded, choose either automatic or the step-by-step job wizard to set up the mailing. The automatic setting will detect the document and envelope sizes and automatically fold and insert the mail pieces based on this information. Press the 1X button for a test piece. Check the piece to be sure it's correct. If the documents are accurately folded and inserted, press the Mail OK button. Then press the Start button to begin processing. The job can be saved into memory for future use. The Formax 6308 series inserters combine user-friendly features with high productivity and are ideal solutions for a growing office environment.